Hello and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. I just got back from Dollar Tree and just have to constantly check to see what all they have. And I found this is actually from the Family Dollar. Um, I love it. It's got the truck. I already know what I'm going to do with it. The pumpkins. It says Happy Harvest. It's good quality and it was $3. But again, it came from the Family Dollar. Ours is a Family Dollar and Dollar Tree mix, but it's a good quality. And since Rafi and I don't get along, I got one of these hula skirts for $1.25 from Dollar Tree. I needed some more sponge brushes. I have that pumpkin, but I got two like that, and then I got some other shaped ones. And I still can't find the pitberry garlands, so I got three of these bittersweet picks. They don't have much at all in terms of floral whatsoever. The Family Dollar part doesn't either. Then I got these little bitty sunflowers, and then these a little bit bigger sunflowers. Thought those were cute. And some yarn. I got three of those. And I have Coco in here helping me. More glue sticks. And another one of those signs. I mean, they literally, I've been looking for the little logs that people use for the pumpkin tops. There's the other yarns. The little tree trunk looking things. Cannot find them. They don't have the pumpkin frames. I got these mason jar lids because I've seen different things made out of those. So all of that's Dollar Tree so far. And those napkins. Now, it's got the blue. I like those. And some more of those planks. They didn't have any of the longer ones. But their napkins, that's just a little wood plaque. It's good quality, though. I guess I forgot that I showed you that. Yeah, that's where I've been getting bit by the dog, and oh, that's my carpal tunnel scar. So my recording cut off for some. Oh, there's the other shaped pumpkins. I got two of each, and they're thick. And some more of the little. It's I think an 8-pack or 6-pack of the 8-pack pumpkin ornaments, and these little crate boxes. Excuse me. I got 4, and some dowels. That bucket, and then that one. They had one that was really pretty, but it had like a seahorse embellished on it, and I didn't want that. There's the other crates, because I did get 4, and then I got 2 little, what do you call it? They're the little trays. That's just a marker to mark on chalkboard. And those. So I'm going to get ready on a video, and you all check back on Wednesday. Thanks.